Probably everybody who's had a second gen has heard about the Redhead steering boxes. And I'm getting ready to do the steering box on this truck, and I'm just curious. Are they worth the money? Is it better to get a Cardone or something from the parts store that's half the price? This thing isn't really a daily. I don't drive it very far. It's just used to beat around my hometown, run to my buddy's house, whatever. So this thing ain't on the road. It ain't doing 50-mile commutes. It's just a beat around. Is there any point in getting the Redhead over the cheap unit? And also the stabilizer bracket. Is it silly to do the job and not get the stabilizer bracket? Is it a must-have? Let me know your opinion.